Hey everyone, if you've ever felt sore or tired after a workout and wished you could bounce back quicker, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing some easy tips to help you recover faster so you can feel great and keep up with your fitness routine. Let's get started. Number 1, more protein. Let's talk about protein. It's the backbone of your muscles. When you work out, especially during intense exercises, the protein in your muscle fibers break down. To repair and rebuild these muscles stronger, your body needs more protein. That's why adding a protein-rich meal after your workout is key to speeding up recovery. It's not just about post-workout though. Having protein before your workout can also help you by giving your muscles the fuel they need to recover faster. So, what should you be eating? Think about adding foods like chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt to your meals. If you're plant-based, beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa are great options too. And if you're in a hurry, a protein shake can be a quick and effective way to get the protein your muscles crave. Remember, the right protein at the right time can make a big difference in how quickly you recover. Number 2, carbs. Tip number 2, don't forget about carbs. A lot of people zero in on protein and completely overlook carbs, but that's a mistake. Carbohydrates play a crucial role in your recovery process. After a workout, your body's glycogen stores, the energy your muscles use during exercise, are depleted. By consuming carbs post-workout, you can help replenish those glycogen stores, which not only aids in muscle repair but also boosts your overall performance and gives you back the energy you lost. So next time you're planning your post-workout meal, think about adding some healthy carbs like sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grain bread. Pair them with your protein, and you'll be giving your body everything it needs to recover faster and feel stronger. Number 3, drink more. Staying hydrated is absolutely essential for your body to function properly, especially when it comes to recovery. If you're not drinking enough water, it can actually slow down your muscles' ability to repair themselves and might even make you feel unwell. That's why it's so important to drink the recommended amount of water every day, and even more so after your workout to prevent dehydration. By keeping yourself well hydrated, you're not only supporting faster recovery, but also ensuring your body stays in top shape. Number 4, sleep. When you've really pushed your muscles over their limits, what's the best way to support their recovery? The answer is simple: sleep. Sleep acts as a crucial refresh button for your entire body, helping you recover and come back even stronger. Consider this: whenever any part of your body feels exhausted or strained, what's the natural response? You give it some much-needed rest. The same principle applies after a challenging workout. Sleep should be your top priority when it comes to muscle recovery. It's during those precious hours of rest that your muscles are able to repair themselves, rebuild, and grow stronger. Your body goes into repair mode while you're asleep, fixing up the micro tears in your muscle fiber that occur during exercise. To maximize recovery, aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night, especially if you're engaging in intense training. Your body requires this additional rest to recover thoroughly and to fend off inflammation. Adequate sleep not only enhances your recovery, but also leads to better overall results from your workouts. By prioritizing sleep, you're giving your muscles the best chance to repair and grow, which means you'll see greater improvements in the gym and in your overall fitness journey. Number 5, massage. Sometimes after an intense workout, your muscles might feel so sore that just eating protein and getting rest aren't enough. You might start feeling uncomfortable, and that's when a massage can really help. Getting a massage from someone who knows what they're doing can work wonders. It helps improve flexibility, decreases muscle soreness, and leaves you feeling much more relaxed. It's a great way to give your muscles the extra care they need to bounce back faster. Number 6, no alcohol. If you're on a mission to shape your body and improve your fitness, alcohol is probably the biggest enemy you'll face. It's not just about muscle growth and recovery. Alcohol carries a host of other health risks that can seriously derail your progress. For instance, it's linked to heart and liver issues, which are serious enough on their own. But when we focus on muscle specifically, alcohol causes even more problems. First off, it significantly reduces the quality of your sleep. And as we have already discussed, sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. When your sleep is disrupted by alcohol, your body struggles to repair and rebuild muscle fibers, making recovery more complicated and slower. Over time, consistent alcohol consumption can even lead to muscle loss, which undermines all the hard work you've put in at the gym. So if you're looking to maintain strong, well-defined muscles and recover quickly from your workouts, cutting alcohol out of your life is one of the best decisions you can make. Your body will not only recover faster, but you'll also be setting yourself up for long-term health and success. Number 7, warm up. Warming up before you dive into your workout is absolutely crucial. Think of it as setting the stage for a great performance. If you skip this essential step and jump straight into intense exercises, you're increasing your risk of soreness and injuries. This isn't just about discomfort. It can actually put you in a situation where recovery takes much longer than it should. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles and joints for the demands of your workout by gradually increasing your heart rate and improving blood flow to your muscles. It helps to loosen up your body, enhance flexibility, and activate the muscles you'll be using, which in turn reduces the risk of strains and injuries. By investing a few extra minutes in warming up, you're not only setting yourself up for a more effective workout, but also helping to ensure a quicker recovery afterward. So if you're aiming for faster recovery and to avoid complications, make sure to include a thorough warm-up in your routine. It's a simple yet powerful way to safeguard your body and make your recovery process smoother and more efficient. Thanks for tuning in. I hope these tips help you recover faster and get back to your workouts feeling great. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fitness tips and advice. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.